I don't know why the DJI footage came out like. I'll look at it when I'm editing. But this is the old InSta 360 Ace Pro. So we're going to go back in and see what it's like. Okay, so this is the Osmo Pocket 2 waterproof case. So I want to see what it's like. It's meant to be pretty good. So I'm just going to go out to the lake here. Hey buddy. Happy dog. Happy dog. Well, these plants are not sure kind of fairly cool, but you can eat them. Like peppery. Peppery ones. Look at these beautiful flowers. Islands, excited? I am. It's going to be so much fun. South Island, Stewart Island, hopefully Chapman Islands. See how we go from there. It's going to be incredible. I can't wait. It's going to be so amazing. It's going to be like so good. There's so much to see over there, and it's so different to this part of the country. So I can't wait to discover it all with you. Let's keep walking. I was in these pine trees one time when I first started walking in here. I swear I heard my nephew talking to me, but I was all by myself. Another time I was walking down this trail here, which is just off the main trail, and I heard it sounded like a Māori woman chanting or doing karakia or something. That's when my mum was had a really bad stroke. So that's very cool. So it's almost like they're reaching out, let me know she was okay, or she was going to be okay. Look, fantails. Oh, I went away. Pea waka waka. You get off here. Quite amazing how dogs know what parts of the grass to eat, and like what parts of the grass have a good munch on for their health and whatnot. Hope you're enjoying the walk. Won't be very long, but hope you're enjoying it. I just can't walk it too far these days, so keeping it pretty tame compared to what we used to walk. We used to about 8 k's, but it's a bit older now, so it's like keeping it pretty easy for her. I'll see how I can brave the old lake water. There she goes, she's gone. See if I can brave the lake. I ain't been in that lake for so long. Kind of excited to get in there and have a good swim. A bit of a dip. She loves the water heaps too, so makes it cooler. Oh, it makes it the clearing. Before I leave the north and head back towards this back home in South Island, I want to do an overnight camping here somewhere. Now, look how green that is. So green, eh? And then you got the beautiful blue sky. Oh my days, is stunning, isn't it? When all the wildflowers come out, lupus and stuff. It's so beautiful now. Might walk it back towards the car and so don't put too much pressure on your foot. We'll go for a bit of a swim. Seriously, go. Go to the lake. Sound good? Hope you enjoyed this short little video. Hope nothing too grand, just trying out this camera more and playing with settings and things like that. Trying to figure out shots and angles and whatnot again. I really want to make my videos more immersive for you, and I want you to feel like you're with me, like I do in so many other videos that I watch. You're just going for a walk with me and Ryder here. So I always appreciate feedback, whether it's criticism about something I'm doing not so good or anything else. I really do appreciate it. It helps me a lot. You know? And she's off. I have to go for the lake for a bit of a swim. Good day. You go, Ryder. You alright, buddy? Let's go. You go, Ryder. Good walkies. Hey, you go, buddy. It's like all these GoPro attachments work with this it's a 360. So I got this floaty thing which I'll be using soon. Gonna be testing out the the new DJI Osmo Pocket 2 underwater. Take that into the lake and I'll try this one too. See all the differences and see what one is better. I've got like a really high quality SD card in the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So interested to see what that's like compared to this one here. Let's keep going though. I keep saying I'll see the lake, but I'll see the lake.